WordPress is the best and most flexible way of making a website. So in today's video, let's see how to make that even easier and better with the help of Elementor. It's going to be a long try, so grab your cup of coffee and let's get started. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and all the resources including Elementor hosting can be found in the video description. I will try to add discount links, so do check them out. These are the topics that we are going to talk about in this video. Why WordPress? Things required to start a website, what is Elementor hosting plans, adding custom domain and email, WordPress dashboard, and how to create pages and posts with the help of Elementor's basics. First, let's address the major question. Why should we build our website on WordPress? WordPress is the industry standard when it comes to making websites. Been around since 2003, almost 2 decades. And as of 2024, 810 million websites are built on WordPress, which accounts for 43% of the total websites that exist. That's commendable. And why not? It's so easy to use and yet flexible that any kind of website could be built on this platform by both beginners and advanced users. In case you get stuck, there is a vast community. You can simply search for your query on Google, and I bet that you will find the solution from the first page of Google results itself. Last but not least, it's open source, so it's free to use. That makes it the most cost-effective solution when compared to other platforms like Shopify and Wix. Now that we know WordPress is a great platform to build our website on, let's see what are the essential components we need to make one. Two components that constitutes the working of a WordPress website or any website, as a matter of fact, are hosting and domain. Think of hosting as the rented house that you buy to store your website. It keeps all the data such as images, videos, write-up portion, website files, etc. When someone accesses your site, the server processes this data and renders the website to the visitor. Hosting comes in all shapes and sizes, like shared, managed, VPS, and dedicated. Opting for the managed WordPress hosting is our choice because it stands out as the optimal solution for WordPress website. The advantage lies in not requiring technical expertise to install WordPress or manage the backend manually. Most of these tasks are already handled by the hosting provider, while there is a slight increment in cost compared to unmanaged hosting. The convenience and benefits make it worth it. Second we need is the domain name. Think of it as the address to the house that you just rented to host the website. You can buy domain name from any provider, or you can buy it from Elementor itself from the backend. They have integrated with Hover that not only makes the process connecting the domain automated, but it also gives 10% discount. If you already have a domain name, then we just have to add an entry at the backend of our domain name provider. Like to link my theinventor.com website to Elementor hosting, I just have to copy these two things to my domain name provider. It will take the provider a couple of hours to update records, which is completely normal. After that, when we go to theinventor.com, it will take me to our Elementor website. To get started, let's explore the option for getting our hosting from. We can either get it from SiteGround or A2 Hosting. These options may seem cheap at first, but the discount only lasts mostly for the first year. After that, it can accumulate and could be jarring, and you end up paying a lot of money. Some benefits like CDN and SSL are also missing with some hosting providers. In my opinion, Elementor hosting is the best option. It is economical as compared to others, has a lot of features, comes with pre-installed WordPress, and requires little to no setup. If you look at the pricing, this is what it looks like. $10 a month it is to get started, and even after the first year it's $15 a month, which is less than A2 hosting that costs about $18 after the first year. What truly makes this a banger deal is that with all these plans we get Elementor Pro Builder plugin that retails for about $100 per year. Features wise, we get auto backups, caching tool, SSL and CDN, SFTP and database access, and much more. Which plan should you choose? Well, that entirely depends on the purpose of your website. If it is intended to be a static site for a consultancy firm with expected low traffic, the basic plan would suffice. However, if you're developing an e-commerce website anticipating substantial traffic, opting for the business plan is advisable. Alternatively, the Grow plan is suitable if you need to manage multiple sites. The good news is that these plans come with 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you find it doesn't meet your needs, you can get a refund. Now we have that sorted, we are ready to make an awesome website that will put us and our brand out there in the world. When you log into your Elementor account, you see this dashboard. Here we see all of our websites This is a new account that I just created for this video, so the site is locked that we can unlock once it's ready to launch. Clicking here will take us to the management of this site. First, we must add a custom domain on it. Though Elementor provides a free domain that we can use, but adding our brand's name in the domain is the best practice. To do so, we need to go here, manage domains. Click the plus icon. Enter your domain name and click Let's Begin. Now get to your domain name provider's backend and there you will find the DNS. Add these two records and you are done. Wasn't that easy? Similarly, we can add custom email address from here. We can either choose between Zoho, which is free, or Google and Microsoft for $6 a month. After choosing one, it will walk through the same steps of adding records to domain name provider. We do get the option for backups. It runs daily backups and keep it for 14 days. So if anything goes wrong, we can revert back. If you are enjoying it so far, make sure to give this a video a like and subscribe for more such videos. That was it for the hosting backend. Now we can head to the WordPress dashboard and start cooking the website. To do so, click on these three dots and select WordPress admin. Or you can also go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Here we are at the WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic happens. On the dashboard, you will see everything at a glance, like comments, activity, quick draft. We can also customize it the way we like. You will also notice this sidebar that has all these options. We'll talk about these in a minute, but first I'll show you a feature that will get your website 80% there. It's going to save a lot of our time. If you hover over the templates, you will see Kit Library. Select that. Here you will find tons of templates to choose from, and if that's not enough, you can go to Envato and buy from there. The link would be in the description as well. Once you find a theme that looks close to how you want your website to be, click on Apply from the top right corner. As you can see, it has been applied to our website. Now we have a starting point. We can customize it further to our liking. This is how I like to make websites, and in my opinion it's the most efficient way. Some elements like header, footer, search results, 404 error page, etc. could be customized from the theme builder section that is located in the templates. If you don't know what header and footer is, then the top navigation panel that you see on any website is called header, and the bottom navigation panel is called footer that contains all the links. We can either create from scratch or again use preset templates. Talking about rest of the important items that you see on a WordPress sidebar, we have dashboard that gives an overview of the website, like you can create quick draft, activities, events, etc. You can also drag and move things around. Then we have posts. You can think of it as the active content of your site. Like if you have a review website, then all the reviews that you publish are your posts. You publish new content on regular basis. On the flip side, we have pages. Pages are more of static content. About us, contact pages are good example of it. We see in a minute how to create both. Then all the audio, images, video could be found here in the media. We can delete and organize our library from here. If someone comments on your post, then those could be found in the comments section. It's your choice if you want to give visitors the option to do so. Best practice is to keep them held for review so that people don't spam on your website. Below that, we have Elementor settings where we can tweak settings and custom fonts, code, and even install apps to extend the functionality of Elementor. And believe me, there are a lot of integrations. We have already covered template library. Next is appearance section from where we can adjust visual parts of the site, like website themes and menu. Now this is important. With the help of plugins, we can broaden the range of capabilities of a WordPress site. They enable you to enhance SEO, fortify your site security, significantly improve its speed through caching plugins, and much more. Some hosting plans even include a caching plugin like the Elementor itself. Managing users of the site could be done from here, like adding or removing, changing avatar, etc. Rest we have settings and tools to play with. Like we can change site name, tagline, how links look like, etc. Getting that out of the way, let's talk about some basics of Elementor that will help you design beautiful posts and pages for your WordPress website. Yes, you heard it right. Fundamentals for designing both posts and pages are same in Elementor. To get started, we need to go to Post and add new. From there, click on Edit with Elementor. This will take us to the Elementor Pro plugin. Pages are being built with the help of blocks. There are all kind of blocks on the left side like heading, images, videos, dividers, maps, custom codes, etc. First click on this plus icon and will ask us to select this structure. If I select this one, it will divide it into rows. Then any of the blocks could be dragged and dropped inside these containers, and later if needed, these containers could be moved together. Or what you can do is select this folder icon and it will bring you the library of blocks and pages. We can select the one we like and customize it according to our preference. Another feature that is worth mentioning is that it has AI capabilities that could do wonders, like you can generate containers, generate images, custom CSS codes, etc. If you use this effectively, you can create a beautiful looking site in no time. Once you are satisfied with the page or post, click Publish. You could use this icon to see how it will look on mobile devices. Last but not least, I want to add in this video that will help you maintain consistent look throughout your website is global fonts and colors. While in Elementor Pro plugin, click on the hamburger menu and click Site Settings. Here we will find global colors and fonts. If you change these colors or fonts, it will automatically change it on the whole site. That helps to keep the consistent look and feel of the brand. With that, I would like to finish this tutorial. We learned the basics of both WordPress and Elementor and how to create gorgeous looking website. Now there is more stuff, but it is not possible to cover as it is so vast. However, I hope this video gave you a good starting point. With this knowledge alone, you can create an amazing website. Now if you would like to check out Elementor, then you can do so from the description below. That's it for today. There is a plugin that I recommend for every WordPress user, that is WP Reset. You can watch that video from here. And if you are looking for a calendar app to manage your time, then you can watch my Notion calendar video from here. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye bye.